In this video, we're going to show you how to use Scan card for groceries. First, earning points. Scan your card. When you are at the checkout, ensure your Scan card is scanned. This registers your purchase and adds the earned points to your account. You can use a physical Scan Plus card or the Scan Plus app on your smartphone. Then, personalized offers. Take advantage of personalized Scan Plus offers. These offers can significantly boost your points earnings. To access these offers, you might need talks. Register your Scan Plus card online, download the grocery store apps, and link your Scan Plus account. Check your email for target promotions. Then participating stores. Scan Plus is available at various grocery stores including Sobeys, Safeway, IGA and others. Be sure to check the Scan Plus website for a complete and up-to-date list of participating locations.